Right, so that's a single arm man maker, okay? So what we're gonna do here is first we're gonna do a push-up, so everything's gonna be nice and tight, feet together, chest to the floor. Then you're gonna walk yourself on a side but keeping that tight body shape, so you're gonna feel your core engaged a lot. You're gonna do a single arm row, and again you're gonna feel your core a lot, and you're gonna feel the row in your lats. You're gonna put the dumbbell down, you're gonna walk yourself again and grab the dumbbell with your other hand, do a row, and then you're gonna perform a single arm squat clean to a thruster. Then you're gonna put the dumbbell on the same side where you pressed it, so you can roll from that side first, then roll from other side, and then do the squat clean thruster with your other hand. So that's a single arm man maker.